Welcome back, everybody. It is Friday, and today we're going to be doing some trades, and you're going to help me pick them. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe, share the stream out, engage, let us know you're here, hype up the stream. You know the deal. Make sure to jump in the Discord. We are going to be trading live today on our sponsor, Fairdesk. Check them out if you're looking for an exchange to trade on. I highly recommend these two, FemX and Fairdesk. I've been trading on them for years cumulatively. So jump in there. We're going to be doing some live trades. I'm going to share what's happened with our live trades since the last stream. It's good to be back, everybody. And I've got a few interesting metrics to look at. So we're actually going to start with the metrics. Which one? I don't know. We'll find out. We'll find out as I wing it. So I've been loving this. This is a free site, guys. I'm going to put the link in the chat. Coinglass.com, free site. I've been using it for a long time for different market metrics for Bitcoin, and I've loved this new super chart they have. It has a lot of interesting data here that we don't get off of our normal indicators like funding rates, CVD, open interest, aggregated liquidations, a bunch of good stuff that I found really is impactful for trading. So I'm going to be starting here. Check out that site. It's free. They don't pay me anything. Might as well just share the love. So if you're in the Discord, which I highly recommend, you'll get updates, host lives, banter, chat, etc. I told everyone in the Discord I was looking for funding to go negative because we've seen a pretty tight correlation with funding dipping into the negative before moves to the upside, or on the initial move to the upside. I have to move back to here. It's loading really slow. But we saw a little bit of negative funding back here before this rally, which made me a little skeptical of this sideways trading. But we did get 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 4 hits on a low time frame of negative funding. Finally, even on the half-hour market, each one of these lows we saw shorts. Well, let me really quickly explain. Funding meaning when one side of the trade is out of balance, shorts or longs, they have to pay the other side to stay open, and this helps perps stay true to spot prices. So what this means is that shorts are opening at a higher or faster pace than longs, and typically the market does look to liquidate whatever side of the trade gets overzealous. So this is definitely a good sign. Over the last, I'd say 4 or 5 Fridays we've been live trading, we have seen some spicy moves in the day. I think it has leaned bullish. Maybe we'll look at that when we get to the daily time frame. But earlier today, we had 3 candles on the half-hour mark and even 2 candles on the hourly mark of negative funding. And I'm really hoping to see one more thing, and that is right here. Open interest, meaning the total value of the perps open at the time, how much money is being bet, basically. I want to see this move up with price, and I'd like to see funding remain negative or even go more negative. So Coinglass giving us some good alpha here. If we look at our Bitcoin OI weighted funding rate, by the way, we will be putting out shorts on CVD, open interest, funding rates, aggregated liquidations, all those indicators. We will be putting out shorts soon, so keep your notifications on, keep subscribed, and check out the shorts we've already put out there, pinned to the top of the chat. What we see is a overall negative funding rate. We can see that on the chart, but this is a clear way to put it. Another signal I'm going to be looking for is funding to move lower. We see the predicted rate here. That means in the next funding round every 8 hours. We're hoping to see these go deeper. We have not at the moment. They're actually looking about the same. An interesting take here is that token margin perps are also negative. That's a good sign. You don't see that too often, as it doesn't really make as much sense. I don't know if you've ever thought of this out here, a little alpha drop. It doesn't really make as much sense to short with Bitcoin. It makes more sense to long with token margin and short with USDT. If you can't do the math in your head as to why, hopefully I can explain it really quickly. If you're token margining on a long and price goes up, not only are you getting more Bitcoin, but that value is going up. So it's almost an exponential or compounding gain. Whereas on USDT for shorts, it's really the same thing. If you're shorting Bitcoin with dollars, you're making dollars as Bitcoin goes down, so your buying power is increasing. If you haven't ever thought of that concept, enjoy the alpha there. It's something that I think everyone should know about. This catches my eye again. I did tweet about this if you follow me on Twitter. I said, not financial advice, probably long on Verge. Verge is a total shitcoin in my opinion. I wouldn't really want to hold on to it, but over the last 2 or 3 days, we've seen extreme negative funding on Verge, and what that usually lines up with is a large short squeeze and push to the upside. This was at -2%. When I tweeted that, it's still at -2%. And what that means is shorts are paying longs 2% every 8 hours. That's 6% a day to stay open. That means there's some extreme shorts. The market's really looking for longs there. There's potential to arb that funding or just hopefully play for a short squeeze. Didn't really want to get into that, but keep an eye on those fundings. Anything even 0.01 negative or positive is huge funding. When you get into whole percents here, you almost never see this. This is very unique. Very, very unique. While Bitcoin dicks around, one more metric I did want to show you guys, because you guys liked this last time. I pay attention to this on a daily basis. Probably you don't need to trade, but as a creator I do. And this is the search volumes for crypto. Right now I have United States last 7 days and YouTube selected. So we can see that YouTube really did hit its, in the last 7 days, peak of searches on July 4th. And these lower highs are very unusual. Usually this is much more distributed, much more even highs. We're seeing very low search volumes. Now we can't say, okay, this is summer. Summer does have lower search volumes, especially on YouTube in the United States. Also, price has been mostly sideways. We did see a new 23 high, but it was very short-lived. Excitement or sentiment is not very engaged right now, and I am always of the belief that Bitcoin is shy. Bitcoin likes to move when no one's paying attention, and so I view this as pretty much a good thing. If we go to web search, it is a little more even here, but we can even see today this is a lower high. Interest over the last 7 days definitely waning. If we go to the 30-day mark, we can see it really low in the dumps, around 50. Going to 90-day, really the same thing. This is like an interest capitulation going on. It's very spicy. Let's go to the 5-year really quick. It's interesting because the 5-year reflects price really well on web search. We see the height of it was in May of 21. That makes sense after we came from a 65K high down to 30-something. Lots of engagement there, and it's really trailed off as we've seen in previous bear markets. Last thing, and I'm going to move on then, is when we go from web search to YouTube search, there's some shenanigans. This is not reflective of reality. I can promise you that. I'm not sure if this is bots, if this is, what the explanation is here, but this is not. Certainly, May of 22 was not the peak of interest in crypto, period. And it definitely, maybe it has been growing since January, but I don't think so as someone who lives in this space, someone who's always paying attention to this. It's interesting. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it, chat. It's pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff to keep an eye on. It'll keep you busy while you're bored here. Let's see. I'm going to show those trades. A lot of our longs got stopped out. By the way, we do have a poll going on. Vote in the poll, and you can choose the first direction of our trade today. We've jumped right into the trading in the last few streams. Today, I want to do a little bit of a chart breakdown. I have some actually spicy chart stuff that I want to take a peek at. So let's do our practice. Ooh, Lucky Thoughts gifted a membership. My man, how you doing, Lucky Thoughts? I appreciate you. And whoever got that membership, I'm sure appreciates you. Good to see you, my friend. We had a subscriber on Twitch, DYOFR. Welcome, bro. Let's start with just some TA here on the yearly. Really simple. Yearly open at 16.5. Last year's open, 46.2. Great targets. I'm still of the opinion, as I have been all year, have not wavered, that price is going to look to test last year's open at 46.2 this year. I'm thinking like 48, but 46.2 will be good. Let's get off of this time frame. Go down to the quarterly. Really similar here. We see this inefficiency of price action. Pretty much straight down, no bounces. Price creeping back up. Last quarter closing only 7% up. And this gives us a value we should pay attention to. And that would be 28.4. As trading below here will be a bearish engulf on the quarter. So we're going to add that onto our chart just to remind us here. 28.4. Now down to the month, baby. Gotta just grind through this. It's a little, I wish that was cleaner, but whatever. Last month opened at 27.2, so this will be our monthly bearish engulf. I know this can be tedious and repetitive, but trading is tedious and repetitive. This is one of, in my opinion, the key to success in trading, is to just make it robotic in the sense of your analysis. Every day, going through, doing some kind of ritual like I'm doing here, going from a high time frame, zooming in, identifying levels, and then getting down into that day, which we're going to get into actually pretty quickly here. 30.4 was the monthly open. This is likely to act as resistance really on any attempt while we're trading below it. Likely to act as support once we move above it. And that's really all we got here. Turn music down and mic up. Yeah. Okay. Got you, Pickle. I don't know why it's so loud. There we go. Well, hopefully you guys could hear me. YOLO. Who knows? Jacqueline Rose, the beautiful Jacqueline Rose. Cheers to you, darling. And turn the music down a notch. God damn it. Do we have to have a problem every stream? Every stream, something has to go wrong. Oh, well, that's what you get when you tune in to just a crypto guy, not like a company.
Cheers.
Crypto guy.
Love you. Love the
you too,
music,
Jacqueline.
musical notes. Turn it down just a notch, throwing kisses.
Thank you, darling. Appreciate you. Where was I? A month? Yep. Not a lot really gonna be seen here. Actually, this is a little spicy. So our VWAP on the monthly is coming up. This was actually something I was thinking about in the last month or two. VWAP coming down on the monthly was pretty heavy, but money flow and VWAP moving up, that's actually a pretty bullish sign, and that is going to definitely jive with what we're going to see on the daily here. But first, let's go to this week and take a peek at the week hat. I'm rhyming. These levels are getting really close together. You can see our monthly open and our weekly open $200 apart, almost to the dollar here. That's going to be a little zone of resistance for sure. Let's just mark that on our chart. Boom, boom, boom. Done. Perfect. Perfect. I will throw this fib on. There we are. Interesting, our 618 retracement from our move from 24.7 up to 31.5. Right there at that bearish monthly engulfing mark, well below the bearish quarterly engulfing mark. That would not be great. If we do see continued selling here, which I'm not convinced of, likely to find support down here at 27.2, if not even for a brief bounce, maybe a bounce back to that quarterly engulf where it rejects as well. That's probably would be my guess if we see that, but I don't think we do. Weekly is finally shaping up, slowly coming off of this higher low on money flow. Momentum's up. VWAP's coming back down, which I don't love. That's a little threatening. That's a little threatening. Next week's going to have to close higher to really keep this condition. Nice. Okay. Now to the day, and this is really all I wanted to show you guys. I got lost in the sauce here. Now I'm going to have to get rid of a bunch of stuff. Got lost in the sauce here. So, using just a very simple indicator. This is the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are really as simple as it gets. For those of you who don't know what it is, Bollinger Bands are the 20 moving average, so that's there in white. You can see yesterday's really ugly rejection candle traded down to that 20 daily. Today opened green off of it. That could be a good sign, and I'll tell you why right now. On our previous similar move in March from 19.5, we moved up through the Bollinger Band, through the 20 daily, just as we did in June here. We pushed all the way to the top of the band, basically traded sideways until we landed on that 20 and then moved to a higher high. Now we see something really similar here. We've pushed through the band, traded sideways to that 20, and now we may be looking for a repeat move, which maybe isn't the greatest thing. This is about a 12% gain from the 20. That would put us about 33.5. That's really probably not going to get anyone excited before falling back down, pulling back some kind of retracement. So just looking at this, maybe we'd see something like this. To be honest, that looks just dandy. That looks like all of the price action we've seen this year. That would not be too crazy. That even maybe lines up with the trend line here, connecting our lows right back to maybe 30.5. I really hope something more exciting happens, but the excitement is fleeting this year. It's like 1 or 2 days of excitement, then months of sideways, then 1 or 2 days of excitement. So curious what you guys think about the Bollinger Bands analysis. This is something we've seen on Bitcoin a lot, and you can do it in the reverse as well. Basically, Bitcoin does tend to move from the top band to the bottom band, or top band to the middle, vice versa. Like we saw here, dropped through the band, dropped through the Bollinger Band, made its way over there, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know. I thought it was interesting. All right. Really quick. All right, we do have some nasty bearish divergence on the day we're playing with. A little bullish divergence as well. On the flip side, let's zoom in. We do see some bearish divergence as our highs came up. Our RSI highs did not, but we're seeing our lows come down as well. However, our lows in price not coming down. So we have both bullish and bearish divergence at play on the daily. This is actually not bad here. Money flow hitting its low, coming in for a higher low. Looks like 1, 2, 3 drivers. That's looking to move to the upside, in my opinion, on the daily. That's good news, as the weekly was kind of in jeopardy there. The weekly moving over to positive, but having that VWAP pull it back down. Meh, not the best. But I'm not hating that. All right, we're almost done. We're going to get into some trades and some other stuff. Let's go to the 12. Money flow rolling over on the 12, but VWAP is going to take a hit back up, huh? Yeah, let's see. This will probably be productive. 0.5 retrace from this drop. Sitting right at 30.6. Not shabby. Not too shabby. Right around here. The thinness of this line is driving me nuts. There we go. Right around there in our box. Our 618 retracement, which we're always looking for, really just sitting at the top of that dump at 30.8. These are all possible areas for resistance, and we're likely seeing them at play here with this slow climb up. Man, I was really hoping for a Friday pump. We had negative funding. It's Friday. Everything's boring. No one's tuned in today. It was the perfect setting. It was the perfect setting. I guess there's still time. Nothing really great here. No real divergence on RSI. 6 hour was rolling over for the last few streams, and it does seem to still be doing that. Momentum is pinching and VWAP's at 0, so maybe we do see an attempt at either a lower high or potentially breaking a higher high there on the 6 hour. It does look like it's going to have some upside. It did already put in, looks like 1 or 2 green candles. If we don't get a rally today, I would kind of assume or expect, looking at what I've seen so far, like a floating back up into this range, that 30.6. I highly believe we see 30.6 this weekend. Would have kind of expected, honestly, to see it sooner, but that's looking very primed. Ooh, that's spicy. On the 6 hour Ichimoku, our TK and KJ, both of our basically moving averages, but a little bit different. Right there at 30.6, I think that's calling price, honestly. 6 hour cloud hasn't even turned yet. Seems to be finding support there. I'll take it. But that's gnarly, though. Shit. Shit. Potentially rejecting off of the daily TK, Kaylee Kaijun, and 12 hour TK. That's not great, actually. Definitely some weakness here from Ichi. I thought we were friends, Ichi. Thought we were friends, bro. 4 hour, just kind of still trending down, huh? No divergence. What a weird drop. Hourly was almost looking good, then got hammered. $30-minute, man, really losing trend actually with these lower lows on money flow, VWAP coming down, momentum finally cresting over. Yikes. Yikes, I don't like that actually. Let's hit this here. All right, going down into lower time frames here really quick. Nothing looks like a long right now. None of these time frames look like a long. I know you guys are going to vote long. But the play here, even with that funding, the play here honestly looks like you're trying to find an entry for a short. Probably 30.6 is right there. All right. Oh, near. Oh, near. Not even on the 1 minute. Jeez. All right. Well, good luck to me. Good luck to me in these trades today, right? Good luck. Let me pull up the trades. Rest in peace. We had so many beautiful, beautiful trades. So many. And they almost all got stopped out. Let me pull these up. Trading on Fair Desk. Sign up today using my link for great satisfaction. All right. So you can see there's been some changes here. We did actually, that's cool. We did get a low fill. We placed that, I think, last Friday, maybe Wednesday, or maybe Monday. 29.8. That's actually not a bad fill. We filled on that wick again. We have been filling mad wicks. Nicely done. We've been filling mad wicks on these. But you can see these have changed around a lot. We had many more longs open. Those got stopped out at around 30.6 or 30.8. The one short from 30.3 is still open, but is like now break even. The longer standing long still open. Not a lot of change there. On the other account, all of those positions got wiped away pretty much in one drop. However, I still do have my long open. You'll notice I took more profits on this long. I locked a little bit away. I think it was back here in like the 30.6s, something like that. We're about $600 up realized, $1,400 unrealized. And we're going to be opening some more trades here live with you guys, with your help. With your help, fam. All right. All right. Let me pull up the chat. Let's see who's here. We got through the paperwork of the stream. The orienting of our compasses. And the orientation not so hot right now, actually. Not so hot. Yeah. All right, maybe I missed some things. 5 minute could be shaping up. VWAP's coming up. 15's like curling over. 30's not giving me the signal yet. I think in 7 minutes from this 30-minute closes, depending on where it closes, we may then see that start to reflect on this longer time frame. But for the moment, it's looking grim. Looking grim. All right, so I'm pulling up the chat. We have 288 votes. Everybody wants to see the longs. Let's go. We can do it. We can long with your help. We have 363 viewers. Not bad. Pretty good for a chill Friday. Only 125 likes, guys. Could you please do me a favor? Smash the likes. Let's get those numbers up. Let's see if we can get 420 today. I believe in you. It's Friday. We also have 2 new subscribers since I was ranting on. What is up, Kingson? Ciao. Joining our fray. There he is. Good guy. Jugal Kishore also subscribing. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. Do it now. We're racing Bitcoin to 100K. We were losing, I don't know, in 2021. Now we're catching back up. With your help, we're going to get to 100K, and I'll get my first tattoo. I don't know if you guys remember that. Promised you guys would get my first tattoo at 100K. I thought that I was going to have to get it 2 years ago, but it turned out I had more time to plan. So let's see who's here. Let's do it this way. I see Burke, Alex Wells, B10X. What's up, Bad Baptist? B Havid. Captain Gary's here again. Crypto Billy. I need my COD. Jonah Plainclothes. What's up, brah? J.O. Joayo. Conde, Justin, King, Justin Irwin, Justin Kaki. Justin's representing today. What's up, Lev B, Lifer, Adam, Mad Cat, Pat, Max, MD June, Mark Kelly, I see you popping in there. Mike, Mr. Wolf 69, nice. Nomadic Life, Paul Wood, Skip Factor, Solar Miner, what's up, bro? Strack Studios, TD Tesla, my man, Pickle, my man. Tseb, VOA, and a name I cannot pronounce in a Asian language. If I missed you, I'm looking at the chat now. If I missed you, put something in the chat. First tattoo, LTC, I don't think so. What's up, James? What's up, Nick? Learning, Carlos, yo. Crypto 420, blaze it. What's up, VOA? Lev B. BTC is bullish, diverged on your daily chart. If this candle closes green, interesting. Lev B, I don't know what that is. What's up, River? Pack Mail. What's up? Bitcoin Slut, our favorite Bitcoin slut. You have to wonder, is it a girl or a guy? Nope, doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. Shout out Mike Hawk, sure. What's up, Mike Hawk? Good one. What's up, Mark Kelly, CJ, Koala Gamer, how you doing, bro? Good to see all the names here. Rory the Rollin' Robot had too much cough syrup. Now he's rolling. Sincere. Saeed, Sakar, Hassan, Shah. Good one. Matthew Miller, and viewers choose the trades. I'm not seeing any limitations. Your house on 100x Pepe long. I mean, you can keep hoping for it. What's up, bro? Tip Chewy, good to see you. Good to see everybody here. Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back to the home of crypto. What's up, false flags? Let's see. Showtime. Let's see. We got 325 votes, 61% long. Looks like we're gonna be opening that long. You know what? Let's just give the people what they want. Let's give the people what they want. Since we already opened one, let's do this. All right, we're just gonna rip it open. 29.6. All right, so we're just gonna start it off with just straight up market ordering. We're just gonna straight up market order this because you guys want to see me lose some money. Let's go. Let's just market order it. Boom. Let's done. Deal done. There it is. The long has been taken. It has been schlonged. I'll put up another poll. Let's do 300 votes. One long, here short. Short, long. There we go. There we go. Polls up. We'll get the next trade going. Let's get some votes in there. You'll get a tattoo at 1 million. Nice. We'll match. We'll be twinsies. Shout out Jody Foster. Nice dumpster. What's up, Jody Foster? If you're watching, you can unsub and sub again. Nah, it doesn't count. Doesn't do anything. What exchange? I'm trading on Fair Desk right now. This is Fair Desk. Their desk that's fair. Or so their name claims. What's up, Kawame? Subscribing. Progarer. Subscribed. Armpit. Oh, I'm sorry. Arpit. My bad. I didn't mean to make fun of you. Mohapatra. Welcome. We got a bunch of new names today. I like it. I like it. Are you guys feeling the Friday vibes? Are you feeling the vibes? Like right meow, says Pickle. Yes, you should like and subscribe and join our Discord for great glory. What's up, Kryptonium? Ed Mouse. Going long on Solana. Should we go short? Trump, dump, loot. I swear you guys just make hard names for me. It's okay. I'm cool with it. Short to 28, says Justin King. Weekly chart, Lovey. I got you. Why not short? Because they voted for long. Don't vote for long if you want me to short. Jeez. I'm playing. Where'd you get this shirt? This is Hit Networks merchandise. I love their merchandise. Strax Studios, open that long? It's open, baby. Hello, Armpit. Arpit. It's Arpit, not Armpit. PC Fast. What up, brah? Welcome. Remember one guy in the middle of 2020 on Spaces, he put his house to take a loan and put the money into Bitcoin around 13K. Best of luck to him, soldier. That's what I would say. Play the pump song. Bitcoin pumps. Done. It's been a while since we played pump song. All right, we got our trades open. We got our first trade open. Keep voting. We'll open our second. I see short might be winning. We only have 100 votes. We never vote for short, but I guess we might open one. That'd be refreshing. Nice change. Nice change. Nice little trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits, though. I don't like that. 4 hits. That's legit. Let me do a little tinfoil hat analysis here. Not getting that on the one yet. These low time frames are just bleeding. 5 minute. There we go. So after that 5 minute close, we have a little bit more to go on. A little bit better. A little gumdroppy potential. VWAP's coming up. We looked at this a few minutes ago. It said it had a little potential, but really got to see this play out. 15 minutes starting to collapse or roll over. I do like that. 30 minute, maybe. So we said in the next whatever minutes, it did close. Looks like 45 seconds ago. The 30-minute candle. I was looking here, and VWAP was coming down, but we saw potentially from the 15 and the 5, hoping that kind of their rolling over status would push into the 30-minute, and maybe we got it here on that close. VWAP starting to come up, money flows coming up. We don't have a clear cut signal there yet, especially with the 45 looking kind of garbage, and the hourly looking still kind of garbage. I think short's what I'm looking for. But you guys choose. I don't give a shit. I'll make it work, baby. I'll make it work. You can give me any trade, I'll make it work. And by that, I mean I'll lose money. Shorting Verge at 0097. Probably not a bad idea. Probably, I don't know though. You're joining a really crowded trade. That's my thing. Verge, I don't know, man. Bitcoin sold off. This thing didn't even notice. Didn't even notice. I will tip my hat though. Is going short here, right underneath resistance, after it's up almost 10x, is probably smarter than long. Probably. I usually would agree with you. I usually would. The reason I don't necessarily agree today is because it's such a crowded trade. Look at this funding. 2%. You never see 2% funding. That is 6% a day. That means if this funding stayed this way, which it has for over 24 hours now, if it stayed this low, 6% a day, what, 10 days, 15 days. In 15 days, to stay short, you would have to pay your entire position just to stay short. Your entire position. You literally would close all shorts in 15 days if they didn't add collateral. It's hard to join that crowded trade. I don't know. Maybe it's right though. Maybe they're onto something. Maybe they know something I don't. It is up a monstrous, like almost 1,000%. So going long, we never really recommend that. 650%. I guess right here is that 10x is up here at 1.3 cents. I don't know, man. The one thing I can tell you all about Verge is that really no one cares about this coin anymore. I'm sure there's a few people holding out. No one cares about this coin anymore. There's likely very little volume. Yeah, almost none. Get out of the way. Yep, can't see it. You can't see it. I'll have to put it on a higher time frame. There we go. Now you can see it. Right here. This is all the volume. This was the only time it ever really had volume, right here. The volume now, though it is up on this run, is just non-existent. So this is a super illiquid. This is a super illiquid market to be perps ordering into. Even if price is going to go down, you still could get wrecked just by no orders, just illiquidity. Illiquidity. We have 160 votes. Keep them coming. We're actually going to take a short for once. Hell yeah. Perma bull Tom strikes again. I am a perma bull. Solana is ripping today. That sounds not true, but maybe we'll take a look. Ooh, my air conditioner's finally working. It's chilly in here. Let's take a look actually at the top crypto by market cap. Not a lot in the tops. All right. So Kaspa up 11, almost 12% today. eCash up 6%. Solana up 5.7. Okay. Okay, it's up. Uniswap, Arbitrum, what's going down? Phantom, there's a name I haven't heard in a while. ApeCoin, who would have thought? Bored Apes or Bored of Apes? You choose. Maker down from its like 1100 high. Frac shares down. Algorand down to 11 cents. Yikes, we might want to look at that. That's real low. Pepe, not really down. All right. BitDAO up. Whole market looks like garbage. All right, let's look at Solana. Look at Solana real quick. Never revisited 10 bucks. Color me surprised. Color me surprised. I would have thought it did. Nice little resistance above you on Solana, 23, 24 bucks. Boom, I see the hearts coming in. The reaction hearts, I like it. One good note on Solana here, it isn't a bullish engulfing monthly. Now we have 25 days in this month, way too early to get excited about that, but it's something to keep an eye on. If Solana can trade above $20.83 into the end of this month, that's a pretty good sign. Pretty good sign. This is making me much less confident. I did not want to see this. Solana definitely coming off of some kind of low here, right? Let's get rid of this. Coming off some kind of low. However, early June. This is like exactly where it dumped from. This is not great. 2183 right here. Now, of course, it could just rip and keep going. Of course. But as analysts, we're looking for probability. And probability to me, violent dump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really kind of like weak upside candles. And those are pretty good percents. But To me, this looks like trip back down. I don't know. Color me bearish. Let's see. Do you have anything going on here? Keep those hearts coming. Keep those hearts coming. Keep those subscribes coming. Solidity subscribed. Almost missed you, friend. Welcome, Solidity. Good to have you. Yeah, potentially bearish divergence here on your weekly RSI. It's just, it's not that I don't want it to go up. It could. This just doesn't look the best. I don't like this climb. And then people are now looking at it and it's 50 cents below where it fell from. Yeah, not a good time to market order long. I'd take a short on that personally, though. Looks a little better on the day. Give it to it on the day. RSI is really high, though. Price hasn't reached new highs. On the day, it doesn't look as bad. On those longer time frames, it looks pretty garbage, in my opinion, though. You're really getting heated up here on Solana. And you're just in this not so great looking channel. You can say shut up, Tom, after it trades above 21.83. It's only 50 cents away. If it trades higher than that, breaks the high, then I think it's looking much better. This just looks kind of like a long trap to me. You break your high there, you do kind of set yourself up for a move higher. Use your fib tool. That's actually very clean. Very clean Fibonacci extension and retracing. Our measured move right there, 38 set, we'll call it 38.80. That also happened to be that high in November where it fell from. I guess that was the whole collapse thing. But that's really interesting for your measured move target to be right there at that major high. Break 27, break your range highs here of 23, and maybe get 38.78. I like that. I like that it lines up so well. I'm skeptical though. I don't like this. I don't like this channel. But anyway, there's Solana. There we go. Done. Solana short, easy. I would take a short over a long on it, but not financial advice. Tokenized art is one thing. Apes gazing into the middle distance, not so much. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not an ape fan. Let's do short here. You guys are voting for shorts. We have 208 votes. We only need a few more. And we're going to open a short live. Just a few more. Contribute your clicks. Yank ya fib. What's up, M Stone? How you doing, man? See you next time, my friend. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I can't read those letters, but see you next time, friend. Good to have you. What's up, Noel Near USD? What's Near doing? Matij Korosek Arb. What's Arb doing? Maker just fell from its high. I don't even have it pulled up still. Algo. Yeah, I said we'd look at Algo quick. Down at 11 cents. Seen better days. Yikes. Man. To say rest in peace, Algo, would be like it would be hyperbole. It's not gonna die. But man, I can see it trading below 10 cents again. $5. Yuck. Unfortunately, I know some people who are Algo fans. Unfortunately, man, this chart is just bunk. Like, you have broken to a new all-time low this year. Couldn't even catch a bid off of a new all-time low. Rejected. I mean, you're just in price exploration to the downside. And the worst part of it, the worst part to me is if you look to March 2020, this was the March crash where everything hit all-time lows basically. Well, cycle lows. Pretty much everything did, even non-crypto. You look over here to the weekly closes and you see that price dumped into a new low, came back to that point, to that weekly close point, like 14 cents, and potentially rejected there. It's like macro support. You broke it, you back tested it, it's now resistance, and in my opinion, you're going to be looking for lower targets. Now, you of course could say, well, it might bounce at 10 cents on the way down here. You might get this, sure. You might double bottom or maybe just slightly break that low and move up, sure. But for all purposes right now, this chart for me is like do not touch. We can use our fib extensions and we can kind of project into the void and say, all right, well, if it does majorly dump, where would we look? I would look around here. About just under 6 cents, 5.8 maybe. Yeah, 5.8 cents. Down here, we see 2 measured move targets pointing pretty close to there. What if they never come? Well, then they never come. Just like your girlfriend. Giggity. All right, let's move. Good luck, Algo. You're just good luck. I'm going to put an alert on Sol. Actually, I have one. I'm going to put an alert on Sol because I'm being very pessimistic on it. But if it does break that high, it can look pretty good. Even if it does break that high, I imagine it'll do something like this. It'll come back down because RSI is already so high that it would likely need some kind of cooling off period, reset that RSI on the higher time frames to move higher. All right, screw you, Solana. Request network ripping. People are saying, everyone's saying things are ripping. I don't see nothing ripping. What's ripping? What's ripping? I've never heard of any of these coins. Like, none of these coins. Ew, Safe Moon. The fact that Safe Moon still has $1 million market cap makes me sad for humanity. Sad for humanity. There's just very little up right now. Like, very little up or down in the last hour. Biggest gain in the top 100 in the last hour is 1.4. Biggest loss 1.3. But almost everything is closer to 0. You know, something I do want to point out as well, so let me just talk about this really quick. So we did our kind of zoomed out analysis. Go back and watch it if you want from the beginning. What isn't lovely about this is yesterday's daily candle is really savage. This higher high, so he broke a new high in 23. Yeah, it was only by less than, I don't know, 0.1% of his previous high. But you broke your high and then you dropped down, closing a daily lower than any in this range. Oh, wow. Actually, maybe we have a little double bottom type thing here, though. I didn't even catch this, chat. How could you let me not catch this? How could you let me not catch this? Look at that. You have an order block on the day right here before you made your move up. That's right here. 2988 to about 30K. But daily close there, that's actually pretty spicy. I don't think that changes... I don't really change the bearishness of that last candle at all. Because what happened here, let's think logically. Price moves up, all right, whatever, it's at this high. People open shorts, people open longs, right? Price chops around, moves low, liquidates longs, baits and shorts. Moves to back basically the high, liquidates shorts, baits and longs. Then breaks the range high. All breakout traders then. Open long positions. People like me. And probably some of you who had shorts open. I got riggedy wrecked on my shorts on that wick, and I'm so mad about it. I'm mad about it. Not gonna lie. It's the second time in this range I got played in the same way. I shouldn't even have to stop my short. I'm not gonna get into it. Not gonna rant about it. But basically, stopped out shorts, baited in breakout traders, took us to the bottom of the range. Like, this was savage. Savage for leverage positions. That's like bearish in a traditional, classic, technical sense. Hitting that higher high and just absolutely rejecting. Really going to need to see this low hold. Or I think you go back. I think you go back down. Really, either of these targets, good targets. All right, we have to have enough votes. We only need 20 more votes, guys. 20 more votes and we open the short. Make me short. I already know where I'm going to short. Or I'm going to look to short. I already know. Like, again at 30.3. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. 20 more votes. Let's go. What's up, Future FX? How you doing, bro? Welcome. Welcome to the fan. Welcome to the fan. Only fans. I was so mad. I lost my ways, bro. I lost my ways. How so? I don't know, man. I still have some mad good positions open. Took a bunch of profit already. I still have that long open from 16.5. I don't know. My ways aren't lost. They're not lost. They're just evolving. Like I hope all of you do. Bitcoin Cash. What's up? Pite. Bill Malter. That's a good question. I haven't looked at BCH. It hasn't set off my alerts yet. Let me pull it up quick. Guys, can you really quickly? We got 300 votes. All right, let's do the long. Let's see the short. Let's see the short. Do I really want to open again? I really want to open again at 30.3. I don't know. We're going to get a double dip here. We're going to get a double dip. We're going to mark it. We're going to mark it. We're going to mark it. And where are we going to take that? We're going to double dip. We'll get a little market order, and then we're going to get a smarter, more calculated short that I'm going to come up with live right here, right now. Let's see. Okay, yep, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, baby. I know the answer is going to just say 30.3 again. It's going to troll the shit out of me. 30.3. I don't want to do at 30.3 again. We already shorted 30.3 a bunch of times. My OCD is killing me. Why is this not snapped? There we go. All of these are really good shorts, though. So I was rambling on. If you guys weren't here earlier, I was just babbling on about a very important price level. I think that's where we're going to sit it. 30.6. 30.6. 30.8 is good too, though. All right. We'll take a little bigger one here. Okay, it's not going to work. I guess I have to refresh this. Great. Great. I use Fairdesk and Femix. Links in the video description below. They are sponsors of this channel. Links in the chat. Sign up using my link for some big bonuses. Big bone. Big bones. Big bones. All right, 30.6. Why are you not? There we go. You know what? I'm net long. I'm not going to make the same mistake. This is also maybe a trifer. Take 30.8 as well. Kind of want to go heavier at 30.6. I'll take it. 0.35 Bitcoin open long, roughly $2,000, and 0.125 short, roughly 800. Net positive. There we go. Give me that bounce. So here's what I'm looking for. I did the 30.3 just because it might happen in this stream. Right back to our local 618, but what I'm really looking for is up here. The greater retracements. We have so much that lines up at 30.6. We have the daily TK. We have the 12-hour TK and KJ. We have our 0.5 retracement of our swing high to low. And above that at 30.8, we have our 618. These are both solid levels. Now 30.3 is kind of shitty. That's why I made it smaller. Really just did it because I think it's likely to fill during this stream. Not because I'm super confident in the trade or anything. You should do 30.3 fitty. What do you think? Yeah, I should do that because then it's a little bigger then. A little bigger. No, yeah. All right. I gotta cancel one. I guess it never set. All right, cool. Cool. So here is our maze of orders. Our maze of trades. Our amazing trades. We are now 1 long and 1 short for the stream. That is a record. We almost always just get longs. Let's do 300 again. Current 1 long, 1 short. Let's effing go. Long, sharp. Okay, there we go, short. Pull that away here. I'm looking for this little bouncy right up to here. Little bounce, little bounce. There we go. Ichi not helping us out. Not helping us out. Okay. $30K if we get along again. Shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad. If we get a little more spice, guys. A little more spice. I see Vinith Creation subscribed and I totally missed it. What's up, brah? If you're out there and you haven't subscribed, please, please, please subscribe. Don't make me beg. Also, make sure you like the stream. How many likes do we have? We're the coolest, chillinest live trading crypto channel. We've been doing this for 4 years. You guys have been tuning in for 4 years. We were there in the bear market before. We were there in the bull market. We're here in the bear market, and we will, mark my goddamn words, we will be here in the bull market again. We're not going anywhere. 250 likes. We have 450 watching. Let's get 420 likes right now, guys. Everyone, let's use our collective power to get 420 likes. All you have to do is pick up your finger, put it on your screen or your mouse, put it over that thumbs up, give it a little click. Oh, I know, Colin Stoltz. I know, baby. I know. I should not do that. Cool glasses. Thank you, Natasha. How you doing, Natasha Riley? Good to see you. Bend the knee, Mr. Mike. BCH, all right. All right, we'll look at BCH. Let me set alerts. Okay. Oh, look at the B cash. Don't call it B cash. Don't call it B cash. BNB? BNB cash? BNB cash. Look at this. Look at this B cash. This is B cash versus B corn. Oh, bless me. Okay. Okay. I need to get rid of a few of these things. Okay. Whew. Okay. All right. All right. Cleaning up the chart here. Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin. 2 weeks of stellar upside price action. Just wild, wild pumping. 57%, 52%, and now this weekly down 5% with 2 days to go. Nice little back test here, though. I'll take that. I'll take that. We had a low from March 21 where we saw, let's call it a bear rally, before falling lower, finding support, rejecting, coming back up, potentially holding support again here versus Bitcoin at 0084. That would be actually really bullish. I wouldn't be surprised, though, to see Bitcoin Cash just chill off here a little bit. Maybe form a parallel channel before moving higher up. Maybe 0148. That would be pretty dandy. Or maybe even back here, 0128. I could definitely see some consolidation. Now, it doesn't mean it can't go up in dollar value, though. That would likely mean, though, that Bitcoin is going up in dollar value. Really into this big block of resistance. 270 to 381. This looks good on the dollar, though. This looks good on the day using Market Cipher B. Money flow on the day, hitting higher highs, bringing its lows and highs up with VWAP coming up as well. That is what you want to see if you want continuation. 2 days about to roll over. Boom, boom, boom. What are you guys doing this weekend? Who's doing the coolest thing? Is anyone doing anything cool this weekend? 12 hours a little sketchy here. Little sketchy. I do like that VWAP's rolling back over up from the negative to positive side. You did hold your low, but your high has not even been tested yet. So you're really going to want to see momentum swing back up and retest that high. And if you do, you're likely getting a breakout. Let's see where we might look, though. Wow, that is crazy. 400. This would honestly, right here, if I can click it. Right here, 383. So the day looks good. It looks enough primed to make a move towards it. The week has some issues, but looking all right. So you do have a nice setup on the day for some more upside action. Problem is, I guess it's not a problem. 383. This would definitely be my target. This would definitely be where I'd look to offload a position I wasn't comfortable with. This was major support and major resistance. He had it as support in 21 in January, came back down in June, in July. You broke through it in November. You dumped. You back tested it, and that's when you got sent down. This is a major resistance. So I do think it will make a move to 383, but again, similar to the BTC pair, maybe it consolidates out, kind of runs stops on longs before making that move up and testing 383. But I think that is likely this year. I think it'll see 383. I think that's very likely. Bcash. Don't call it Bcash. That guy was so mad about it being called Bcash. And it was Bcash the whole time. It was always Bcash. It never wasn't Bcash. All right, well, alert set, not much else happening. No, get back up there. Now we're going for a long again, it seems. 130 votes for long. 63% long, 37% short. You guys just want me to lose money, don't you? Or maybe you're right. I don't know. I shouldn't doubt it. You guys have done pretty well. You guys have done pretty well with these. I'm surprised. No, the 5 minute. No, you lost all your momentum. You were looking pretty good with that little gumdrop, and you just shot the bed. Shot the bed. 30 minutes gonna roll right back over. Son of a bee. Oh well, we did market order that short. I feel like this long hour, I just want to stop it out already. Yeah, stops at 30. No, it's not. Where is it? $29.6. I don't know why I chose that so low. It seems wrong. I'll leave it for now. Leave it for now. Start legging it. What's up, Mark Hubs? Mark Hubs. How you doing, Mark Hubs? Fighter tries to pull what? Big fan from Denmark. What's up, Denmark? Shout out to Denmark. How you doing, Mikkel? Wanted to ask, how do you get those glasses? It's a good question. It's getting harder and harder. Oh, getting harder and harder to get these glasses, actually. My best advice. What happened? There we go. Would be to go on Google and just type in mirror boxed frame sunglasses. I don't really have like a manufacturer anymore. Different companies have made them over the years and then they stop. Take a look at Zcash. We just looked at Bcash. Are we really going to skip the whole alphabet? Go right to Z. What about E? What about, I don't know, other ones? Algo almost rolling over, dude. Algo looks garbage. What's up, Nikki? How you doing, Nikki? Good to see you. Cheers to you. I am the B Cash. B Trash Savage. What's up, Cambo Zone? How you doing? Bitcoin going down pretty hard? It's kind of just chilling. It went down pretty hard, what, yesterday? That was a savage rejection. But it does, I don't have any good signals yet. Doesn't I don't have any good to go on short time frame stuff. But this is looking a little toppish, isn't it not? Looks like it wants to do a little fruity roll. I don't like keeping under that trend line. Alright, 1 minute maybe starting to roll over, but really nothing else is showing me that. I'm not comfortable here. This looks like it's not going to be prime trading. But whatever. Whatever, that's what we do. That's what we do. Gonna break this low. Breaking its low. The low of the stream has been broken. Ooh, I missed Lucky Razavong subscribed and Vinith Creation. Welcome, fam. There we go. There it is. That broke. Womp. Womp. RSI is pretty low. Price is lower, though. We're looking for some kind of super low time frame bullish divergence form. 5 minute really pulling down too, but price has not budged much. Interesting. This is definitely a setup for divergence. 30 minutes skunked us. What a scam. What a scam. Something didn't happen the way I wanted it to. What a scam. Market's manipulated whenever I'm wrong. I'm not wrong. The market's wrong. What's up, Justin King? How you doing, man? Dancing. Karaoke Asia. Never doubt the power of technology and innovation. Bitcoin is the only authentic money recognized by the world. Banks, institutions, and people are saving money for the future every day. I don't disagree. Don't disagree. Pest Killers, XRP Golden Crossing coming. What time frame, bro? Do I have a Threads account? I do have a Threads account. It's at Tom Crown Official. Threads. It's just the same as my Instagram. There's no space if I put a space there. I can't tell. Pickle Cash for the win. Mirror boxed frame sunglasses. That's right, Mickle. When is Ultimate Pain? Honestly, this whole, I don't know, the last 2 years now, year and a half have been pretty Ultimate Pain. Barry the Rave. Cream Cracker to been painting house all day. Nice. Welcome back, man. Take a break. By the way, grab your brews. Roll one if you got one. Smoke them if you got them. It's Friday, baby. You've had a long, long week. It's time to chill. Take a look at the charts. Watch me lose money. Pretty much an annoying week. I agree. I'm super trolled. I'm super trolled by my short getting stopped. I had the most beautiful, beautiful short. It was so beautiful. It was from right here. And I didn't need a stop. You guys should always use a stop if you don't know what you're doing. I stupidly put a stop on it. I didn't need to. I was net long. It didn't matter how much it went up. I couldn't get liquidated. Stupidly put a stop and got sniped out on this. And that's the second in time in this range that's happened. I had another really nice short over here. And I think I got stopped out right here. I don't remember now. It's been too long. But I got played. Market played me, baby. That's how it goes. You can trade all day, every day, and still fall into the same BS traps. Every once in a while. Go back up. Next time, I'll have to create my own product. If you guys know glasses manufacturers, man. There's somebody who owns a glasses plant. I don't even know what that would look like. Let me know. Join the Discord. Send me a message. Let me know. I was looking for a distributor on Alibaba, but never came through. Actually, I should follow up with that today. Good reminder. Because, yeah, we should sell these sunglasses. Just so I can have them, really. If you guys want to buy them, that's fine, but just so I can have them. Maybe we put too many votes. Monthly golden. Really? All right, that's worth taking a look at. 100 more votes and we'll open another trade. Someone said that there's a golden cross on the monthly for XRP. I don't know if I believe it, but we'll find out. In this chart, if it even has that many candles, it does actually kind of look like one that could have a golden cross. Let's see. Oh, there aren't 200 months. This can't. XRP can't have a golden cross on the monthly. Oh, wait. Yeah, it can. Bifinex doesn't have all the history. You might be correct. Hold on. Where the fudge did this? There we go. Okay. All right. All right. Still can't. Still can't. You need 200 monthly candles. That would be, let's see, August 13. This could happen in what, like 2030? In 2030, you could have a golden cross, maybe. Maybe. Wonder if you meant like a lower time frame, so like the week. I'd say that on the weekly it's coming. It's coming on the week if you can hold the 50 here. You can hold 42 cents. I think that's pretty possible on XRP. Nice little monthly support there. If XRP does one of these, we can see that 50 come up. And we can get a golden cross. But as of right now, not possible. There isn't 200 months to even go on. Well, good looks. Good looks. Good looking at it. Am I day trading? We are. We are, remember. We're taking your trades. We've opened one long and one short. We're waiting for the next one. Pepe 3.0. Yeah, God. I hope our community is smart enough not to be buying these. First time here. What's up? ZZZ. Good to have you, brother. We're just a non-hype, non-chill, chillin', trading, crypto nerd channel, man. Glad you enjoy it. You found your home. We're 4 years strong. Now we're stronger with you. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you guys are smart enough not to freaking just get involved in this, like, Pepe 2.0, 3.0. The nines, you are welcome to invite me to any indicators on TradingView. It's at Thomas Crown. What's up, Folsom? Kaspa? I don't know. Oliver Aro. When back? Heard ya, bro. Time to light it. That's right. That's right, Adam. Treat yourself. Well, our little bounce play didn't work, which is cool because we didn't... We just set the order there. Bounce play. That's alright. We took a short anyway. Let's see. This is a small short. Damn it. Oh well. Now up 1%. Our long now down 1%. Womp. Womp womp. This is just ugly. These are just ugly candles. What even is this? Looks like a wet, scared dog. It's like shivering. Just doing nothing. Providing us with no volatility. No volatility. Nothing to trade yet. Damn it. Damn it, funding. No. Stay negative, funding. Don't be positive. Open interest, not budging. This, off of this low open interest is coming in a little bit. But CVD still dumping. Sketchy at best. What's happening to Litecoin? What the hell is happening to Litecoin? I don't know, man. You must be new to Litecoin. This is what it does. This is what Litecoin do. My Litecoin long at 100 did get stopped out. It was a very good trade. I could have closed it at 5%, 6%, but nay, got stopped out. What's happening to it? Nothing, dude. This is just Litecoin. This is what it does. Litecoin is not going to moon and have, like, people just, like, free riding it. It's going to moon. I think it's going to moon eventually, but it's going to moon when absolutely nobody is longing it. That's my opinion. Actually, Litecoin looks much better than Bitcoin still. Higher low, higher low, higher low coming somewhere. Somewhere. Your lows are coming up on our side. Don't have any divergence, but daily money flow just trending up. Trending up. Oh, we're actually a little dumpy though. Got my alert. Set the alert back at 100. I might like to even take a short at 100 now if it comes back. Let's see. MicroStrategy hit a higher high for the year today. Go on. Get after a MicroStrategy. Coinbase opening. Nice. Coinbase with a higher monthly high. Higher monthly high today. No real change there though. GBTC now settling back down. This was diverging from Bitcoin hitting higher highs. And then, interestingly, didn't hit a higher high, what, yesterday? Did suffer the same sell-off. Weird. That premium is getting eroded slowly over time. This is a chart from 2 days ago. Kind of went long. Kind of just degen it. Let's get rid of that. Yields. Bond yields moved to higher highs this year. Hit higher, I think it's higher highs yesterday, maybe. Yeah. That's some spice. Is the whole market frozen? Or did I not even know it and accidentally smoked too much today? 1 hour, 0.7% up. 1.4% down. Get a look at Kaspa. I doubt it's... Alright, we'll look at Kaspa. What's up, Tony Stewart? Reddit. Next week gonna be huge. This is a stock alert. It says Troy Stewart. Troy Stewart. Stewart? Stewart. Stock alert. Is it Qcoin? Alright, cool. There we go. Wait, did anyone ever say if they had cool weekend plans? Who has the coolest weekend plan? If you have the coolest weekend plan, put it in chat. And I will send you some Satoshis in the Discord if you join. For having a cool weekend plan. By the way, join the Discord for post-stream updates on trades and everything good. Breaking news. Also, I will make you a Bitcoin holder just by joining. I airdrop everyone some Satoshis every live stream. So you don't have any Bitcoin, this could be your only chance, man. Everybody in the Discord has some Bitcoin. All right, Kaspa, this is not the best. It's not the worst. Kaspa fell. Looks like it rejected from its 618. 618 retracement right there, 2.6 cents. Now this weekly is okay. I like that bottom wick. It hasn't really significantly lost anything, has it? Nope. Not even to the 0.5. Where it rejected there is not the best. You're okay with your indicators so far. Let's see. Not the worst. All right, not the worst. Not the worst thing I've ever seen. Be looking for 2.4 cents probably. 2.46 or yeah, 2.46. It's only 1 cent up though. That's not very exciting. That's not very exciting. Though, I don't know. Would you long or short this? I would probably look to short this right around here. Right here. Which means I'd look to long it right about here? Maybe. Maybe, baby. I'm getting stuck in them clouds, though. Ooh, if that holds, if Kaspa's low holds there, though, that looks really cool. Huh. Settle above 2.4 cents, 2.4 cents this week, and you actually look pretty cool. You're back above the Kaijun. You tested the Kaijun. You've tested the Tenkan-san, the green line down here. That could be some interesting. That could be some interesting bounce. Interesting bounce play. You know, I haven't been looking at Kaspa, and you might have gotten it on my radar now. It's not like a chart I'm gonna freak out about. Oh my god, I don't ever see anything like it. It's not like that. But there's potential here. I think that potential's right about here. Five 5.4 to 1. We could take it 3 to 1 from 1.6-ish cents. And your stop could be below May's low. Now that one's not very playable on leverage because the stop's too big. Even this is 16% down. I can see something like this as well. Same entry, tighter stop. Of course, you can do whatever you want with that stop. And basically be looking for that implied 618 return. Back to like right where we are now. It's kind of cool. There's something here. Something here on this chart. I had to make a new chart. That's how little I've looked at this. But now it's on my radar. I'll keep an eye. Keep an eye for you guys. Keep an eye for you guys. And gals. Free gals. Mostly just for the gals. Sorry, guys. Bajarki is the GOAT. We miss Bajarki. Can we all just take a moment and reflect on the grace that Bajarki brought us? What is up, Lucky20? Good to have you. Thanks for subscribing, my friend. Welcome. Eobard Thawny also subscribing. Salute. Wow, I was bitching about my air conditioning not working well this morning, and now it's getting frosty in here. It's getting frosty. I might have to turn it down. It's like 90 degrees out. Weekend is what? $6,000 ASIC to buy. I don't know. What's up, Cash Cats? And fam, Johnny Rico. Stating the obvious, I don't know what you're referring to. Fabrice Eric. I'm not sure what site they use. Escape room, then gambling at the MGM. That sounds pretty damn good, Crypto Beehive. I don't know if anyone can beat you. We got 300 votes. Let's look for that long, baby. Let's look for that long. We're going long hunting. Going long hunting. All right. Let's see. Do I have any longs? Shorts. Only shorts. That's not good. Okay. What can we do? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to place a little long ski down here. 28.5. This isn't going to be the one. This isn't the one, but it's going to be hard to pick a stop, though. I'm not even going to put a stop yet. No. Wait, what? Wait, what? I accidentally just opened that as a short. Oh, God, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, God. Guys, this is a lesson that no matter how long you trade, You still can make user errors. I literally just hit short instead of long. You saw me click that button. So just opened a short here. Great. Great. All right, place that down here. Let's even go bottom fishing 27.2. I don't even think these are going to hit, but hey, you never know. Okay. That was just for me. That was just for my sake. I mean, 30K. 30, is it 30 or 29.8? I already have one at 29.8. Well, first off, let's just fix our error on that, right? Fixed error. Where do you even go? Where do you think, chat? 31? 30.1? It's looking ugly. It's looking hella ugly. Though there's really little bounce here, so it's likely to do a nice little pop once it hits something. That's probably around 30.1 right here. Let's look at our 4 hour quick. Yeah, the 4 hour is kind of saying right here. Let's market order it. Yeah. Yeah, let's market order it. What's our balance? -1, -15, -17.5. Positive. 3.75. Okay. Market. Let's make it a big one just for YOLOs. Just for YOLO. Now we get wrecked. Go back up. Yeah. Give it a weird stop. Give it a weird stop. Let's do like 30. 99. No, wait, that's way too close, right? Oh no. Oh no, my long. No. I have to try again. That's such a good little spot, too. If it doesn't bounce here, I think it's going to go take out all these lows. It's like gotta bounce here. It's going to take out these lows. I did order it. I did open it. The RSI is so low. So low, man. We got it at, what, 30.1? Yeah, 30. Nah, 31.44. Not as good as I thought. Let's see. Take like a 2-to-1 here. Guy whispers to candles today, live. Live, guy whispering to candles. What else do we have opened here? So far, these are our trades. I'm gonna do it this way. Come, watch me whisper to candles. You can't even see all the trades anymore. This is a shit show. I love it. I love it. Okay. I think it was this one we opened. 26. Wow, I got that real deep. I wish this organized them by like when I open them. I'm like lost as to what just opened and what didn't. Here we go. That's not a good risk to reward though. That's not a good risk to reward. That's not a good risk to reward. Uh-oh. That's terrible. That's terrible risk to reward. I should probably redo that trade, huh? 32. There we go. I'll tell you that's a little better. You gotta go through and put these stops and take profits in. Too many trades, man. Too many trades. What is even happening here? And take a break from that for a second. Short unfilled. Oh, we also marketed a short. From 3.2. Okay. Let me add this so everybody can see what we've done today. And laugh at us. Yep. 455. $30,000. Wait, what? That's not a good risk to reward. We're going to have to change that. Okay. Sorry for the delay. I'm sitting here trying to keep track of all this shit in my head, and it's not going well. Not going to plan. I have to move this to like... Alright, good enough for me. Here's the mess that is today so far. You're gonna come in, we're gonna blaze it. That's right, Adam. Let's do it. You're long in crabs, right on. What's up, Stan? Let's go volatility. Right? I don't want to keep opening in the exact same place. What exchange am I trading with? I'm trading on Fairdesk right now. Link in the video description below. Sign up using my link for some bonuses. What's up, Luna subscribing? Good to have you, Luna. Triggered Soul. Pro Jawad. There's a lot of subscribers today for Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. This is some crazy, crazy low volatility. We've never had this little volatility on these streams. Okay, 1 minute starting to turn back up. Friday. What's up, Hodl? Crypto, my man. Hop chew. 6 million long at 31. At 30.1. Alright. Whisper to Candles, great song. Never heard it. MTGO Wild by Logic. 150x long on Litecoin. Good luck, dude. Good luck. What's up, Donato? Cabrera. Monkey, my man. Marmar. Draw a happy candle. Alright, I'll draw a happy candle. Let's see. Trick to drawing a candle is also not to make it look like a dick. There you go. You got your little candle. There he is. He's a happy candle. That's a happy candle. He's a very happy candle. There you go. Live art. I'm going to NFT this. It'll be $8 million. 500 F floor. What's up, Mark Zygwart? Getting ugly. It is ugly. Not that ugly, though. Could be uglier. We've seen uglier. Friday afternoon. Start the low volume rise for the weekend. Every weekend, says Jason Rose. People are shorting XVG. I mean, go for it, man. Go for it. I think there's a long play off of this short squeeze that's about to happen, but it's up almost 100, almost up 10x, right below resistance. Seems like the trade was a while ago, honestly. Seems like the trade has passed on it. Happy little candle. I'm going to put a picture of this in the Discord. Just for everyone to reminisce after the stream. Got a happy little candle. Don't forget this happy little candle. Oh my god. Bitcoin. This is just the lowest volatility. Nothing has happened. When we started streaming at 1:30, now 3 o'clock, 2.5 hours, or an hour and a half. Price has gone down 0.5%. That's it. That's it. This is what's happened. Still looks ugly though. 15-minute one, like I'm seeing this retracement. We're waiting for this bounce to short like 30.3. Like we were waiting for it earlier, but it still looks like it's coming. Problem is, you make a bag there, you still just get slapped down. Look at all these trades. How are so many of them green? That's wild to me. Look at that. Good job, chat. I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know how you do it. MVPs. $30.3. No matter what I do, it's always 30.3. Wow. This is like watching paint dry squared. Bullish divergence. I want to go to the beach. Namita D, I want to go to the beach. Does that exchange require KYC? No. Fair desk is optional. Alts moved a lot more. Kinda. We were looking at them earlier. It's like 1% moves. Is that a hat on fire? No, that's a happy candle, bro. It's a happy candle. It's his flame. How would he be happy without his flame? His flamme, bro. Goddamn artist. Tom Ross. That's right. We're going to put a happy little candle right here. Now let's do this. There. Here's a happy little candle. Happy little candler. I think that's so much on the screen. I don't want that much on the screen. Happy little candle. Push price, buddy. Do it. You can do it. Ah, Steve, we pointed that out earlier. Nice, we got another subscriber. Surprisingly large amount of subscribers today. What is up, Clampdown 21? For not a very spicy day. Not very spicy. A lot of people, I guess, I don't know, looking for some non-spicy content. And we got it, babe. We got that mayo content today. We opened up a bajillion trades over the last few days. I don't even know. This is a nightmare. But there's no movement. It's not moving. No volatility. We can't... Like, if we open another trade, it'll be at the exact same value. That's boring. It's boring. We have exactly 420 viewers right now. No one leave. No one leave, no one join. Also, everyone hit like so we can have 420 likes. We have 335 likes. We don't need that many more. We can do it. Ah, Friday. Who's gonna go get drunk today? Probably not me. My tummy's been upset. I need to take a break. Few new people in the Discord, right on. I like that. Join the fam. 24 hours, 24/7 chat in the Discord. All right. Are we now going to get this move? Like, come on. Come on. This took forever. It's like, yes, but it will take 7 hours. It will just go the slowest route possible. What's funny, that long that I ordered, the 0.1, that's now in profit. That's funny. That's now in profit. And it actually is looking like decent, maybe. Maybe. Have you guys checked out the educational shorts playlist? Elvis Prophet, the legend Elvis Prophet is here. Never thought I would see that. What's up, Marcelo Rodriguez? How you doing, man? Nate, I didn't see you earlier. And Crypto Military Vet, how you doing, man? Only dabs? Right. You're here for LTC, says the XRP Alpha guy. What? 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 That makes sense. That doesn't add up. There's something suspicious about that. Something suspicious. It's Friday and Bitcoin knows it. What's up, JBJJ? Good to see you, man. I feel like I haven't seen you in a bit. I tell myself almost every morning after drinking, I'm never drinking again. Half drunk now. Damn it, don't make me. Don't make me. Don't enable me. We're due. All-inclusive hotel LH. I want that at the beach. What's happening with XRP? Not much. Not a lot. You're not missing anything. 360 likes. Look at this. Look at this beautiful candle I drew. First, look at the beautiful candle. We're hoping that this candle can summon some volatility. But unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be able to. Or if it is, it won't be until we're done streaming. It's usually how it goes. You should subscribe and like. You should sign up and start trading on Fairdesk and Femex. Always good to have more than one exchange. You should join the Discord. You should follow me on Twitter. That's what you should do. This is really boring. I'm happy everyone joined us on Friday, but it's really boring. There's no volatility. We're gonna be live again Monday no matter what. I hope you tune in for it. People come and go, but we stay. Look at all these trades. Look at all these trades. Who does this? Nobody. Nobody does this. Hopefully by Monday, price will have moved enough to hit some take profits or stops and something interesting. Don't know. But what I do know is I'm going to go enjoy Friday. You all should go enjoy Friday. Check out the educational shorts playlist.